Hello everyone, this is Paushta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to show you a review of the outfits. I want you to have a look at mother and daughter. We made these amazing skirts for them. The skirts are made of net. I want to tell you about it. I received my order from Spain, and there was this net among other fabrics. The net is dark red. There are scallops on the edges. I don't know why it was in my package because I didn't order it. I didn't like this net at first. I wanted to give it to somebody. I didn't do it, so Ola and Caroline made these amazing skirts of it for a photo shoot. When they showed me the photos, I realized that I should take net more seriously. You can make very beautiful clothes of different nets. I know that it's not easy to work with net. We need to learn to love it. Net with embroidery looks absolutely amazing. I want the girls to stand up to show you their amazing skirts. My girls look very beautiful. The best thing about these skirts is that it's very easy to make them. They are lined with silk. There is an elastic on the waist. You can see that these simple skirts look very beautiful. Ola, Caroline, turn around please. My girls look absolutely amazing. I don't know why I didn't like the fabric at first. I think that dresses made of this fabric would also look very good. Ola bought these t-shirts to wear them with skirts. I love their outfits. What do you think? Net looks very light. You can wear clothes made of net both to some special occasions and, for example, for a walk. I love net. Have a close look at the girls once again. Notice that the dots are not printed. Each dot was made on an embroidery machine. This fabric isn't expensive, but it looks very beautiful. The silk lining also makes the skirt look amazing. My girls are very beautiful. Ola just told me that these t-shirts were white. She bought these embroidery details and attached them to the t-shirts with an iron. I think that the t-shirts match the skirts perfectly. These are amazing outfits for the summer. This is a perfect design for those who are just learning to sew. There are no darts in these skirts. The only thing you need to do is to get the waist with an elastic. There are no concealed fasteners or zippers. It takes just about an hour to make such skirts. I think that my girls look absolutely amazing. I didn't like the fabric at first, and now I think that it's very beautiful. We should also think about the fact that fabric looks absolutely different in rolls and in clothes. Girls, you can go now. Thank you. These skirts are made of the square pieces of fabric stitched together. The width of the fabric is 1.3 meters. We folded it in half and cut the two skirts. We used a bit less fabric for lining. This is how it looks like from the wrong side. The bottom in these skirts was edged with a lapped seam. We should use all possible ways to be different and beautiful. Sometimes it's good to have such simple skirts. Have a look at the silk. I love this chameleon color. You can see different colors in it, from gold to red. The two skirts were made absolutely the same way. My girls wanted to be different and beautiful, so they made these amazing skirts and decorated the simple t-shirts with embroidery. There are just two seams in the skirts, one in the net and one in the silk. Two seams Waistband, the skirt is ready. I love net. With embroidery, without it, skirts, sleeves, dresses, they are very beautiful. If you don't like net, please give it one more chance. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. Вы Апаукшта Ирина, Оля and Caroline. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.